हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, माय नेम इज कोमल और आज हम पढ़ेंगे वेक्टर्स का बिल्कुल लास्ट टॉपिक विच इज़ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ ट्रिपल वेक्टर्स। सो मैंने आपको वेक्टर्स पे बहुत सारी वीडियोस प्रोवाइड करी हुई हैं। ये लास्ट वीडियो है वेक्टर्स पे विच इज़ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ वेक्टर्स। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो। सो स्टूडेंट्स, जब भी आपके पास ऐसा क्वेश्चन आए फाइंड ए इंटू बी इंटू सी, ए डॉट बी इंटू सी, जब भी आपके पास ऐसा क्वेश्चन आए वेर इज इक्वल्स टू 2i माइनस 3j, b इज i प्लस j माइनस k, c 3i माइनस k, और आपको ऐसे मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ 3 वेक्टर्स निकालना है, तो आपने क्या करना है, इसको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लिखना है i डॉट बी मल्टीप्लाई बाय b इंटू सी। तो आपने इसको कैसे लिख लेना है, आपने इसे लिख लेना है a वेक्टर, b वेक्टर एंड सी वेक्टर। पहले इसको ऐसे राइट डाउन कर लेना है, फिर इसको डिटर्मिनेंट में शो करना है। पहले 2 माइनस 3, क्योंकि यहाँ पे k नहीं है तो 0। सेम दिस विथ 1 1 एंड माइनस 1, विथ दिस ऑल्सो 3 माइनस 1, सॉरी इट्स k माइनस 1। सो आपने इसको ऐसे लिख लेना है। फिर जैसे हम मैट्रिक्स में डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड आउट करते हैं, स्टूडेंट सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन एज if we are doing it in determinant of matrix, so what you are going to do, take 2, ignore this row and column which is minus 1 into 0, because if this is multiplied by it become 0, so minus 3 became plus 3 if we multiply it with minus, ignoring this row and column, minus 1 into plus of 3, then 0. The whole value became 0 as if we take 0 outside it, 0 minus 3. So your answer come 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2 minus 2 plus 6, the value come 4 cubic unit is the answer of this question. Very easy question. Just take this value, multiply it like determinants and you get your answer. So moving ahead with another question. So students, your question is find volume of parallelepiped where a is 2i minus 3j plus 4 of k, b is i plus 2j minus k, c is 3i minus j plus 2 of k. As we have done in the previous question, similarly you have to multiply basically the 3 vectors in the equation, which is a, b and c, as if we have done in the previous question. So you have to just take the determinants, minus 3 and 4, 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 and 2. So what you are going to do, firstly take value 2, ignoring this row and column, you get 4 minus of 1 plus of 3 and 2 plus 3 plus of 4 minus 1 minus 6. So you get the value which is 2 into 3 plus of 3 into 5 plus of 4 into minus of 7. So the value comes 6 plus 15 minus 28, which is 15 plus 6 is 21 minus 28. So your answer came minus of 7, but ignore the sign negative. So the value comes 7 cubic unit. Always ignore the minus sign. Here comes the answer minus 7, but ignore this sign, we came the answer which is 7. So if you calculate the value of parallelepiped A, B and C is given to you, use the value as if we are doing in the previous question, multiply these vectors and you get your answer which is 7 cubic units. So students, your next question is where volume of parallelepiped is given to you which is 5 4 6 and 3 values are given minus 12y plus xk, 3j minus k, 2i plus j minus 15k. You have to find the value of x. Firstly, we take the value as a, b and c. So what we have done, just taken the value of a, b and c and writing its determinants minus of writing its value to calculate the determinant. Minus 12, 0, x, 0, 3, 1, 2, 1 and minus of 15. Now, finding its value, which is equals to 5, 4, 6 and which is given to us. If we calculate its multiplication, it will come to 5, 4, 6. Now, calculate its value taking minus of 12, ignoring this row and column, minus of 45 plus of 1, it became whole 0, so ignoring this value 0, because if we take the value, the whole value became 0 multiplied by 0, so ignore this value, which is taking next value, which is x, 0 minus 6 is equals to 5, 4 and 6. Minus of 12 if multiplied by minus of 44 plus x into minus 6 is equals to 5, 4, 6. So if we calculate this value, it becomes 5, 2, 8, which is minus 6 of x is equals to 5, 4, 6. And if we further solve the value and take this value to this side, it became 5, 4, 6 minus 2, 5, 2, 8, which is equals to minus 6 of x. So x is equals to minus 18 upon 6 and the value comes minus of 3. So as if I have done the question, the value of x became minus of. So students, your answer come minus 3. This is the answer of this question. Like determinants, you have to solve the equation and minus it is equals to minus of 6 and you get your answer. So moving ahead with another question. So students, your next question is find value of x if vectors are coplanar. So what is coplanar? Coplanar is something where if you multiply a vector to b and c, your value comes 0. So the answer comes 0. If we multiply 3 vector which is a, b and c, your value comes 0. This is the case when the vectors are coplanar. So firstly, calculate the value if we multiply a, b and c as we have done in the earlier questions. So we are going to put the value which is 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 1, 15 and the value is 3x and 5. So firstly we are going to just solve it. 1, ignoring this row and column, 5 minus 15 of x minus 2, which is 10 minus 45, again plus of minus of 3, the value come 2 of x minus 3. So all this value is equals to 0 because as I have told you earlier, if we multiply the vectors, the value comes 0. So similarly this whole equation is equals to 0. 5 minus 15 of x minus 20 plus 90 minus 6 of x plus 9 is equals to 0. Now if we solve the equation, it became minus 15, it became minus 21 of x and this became plus of 99 is equals to 0. Now if we take this value to here, it became 21 of x is equals to 99 minus 15 is equals to 484. So x, we are taking this value to here, so the value comes x is equals to 4. This is the answer of this question. Just if we are going to solve the value x if the vectors are coplanar, multiply it and take it is equals to 0 and find a determinant and you get your value where x is equals to 4. So students, your next question is show points are coplanar. If we want to prove that the points are coplanar and A, B, C and D vectors are given to you, firstly calculate AB and AC, then AD. If we want to show the 4 points are coplanar, calculate AB, AC and AD. Now firstly we are going to solve AB, which is position vector of B minus position vector of A. Let it be greater one. Clear? Now solving this question, B minus A, you get your answer. We directly solve it. B minus A, 60 minus 6, you get 10 of I. Now minus 19 plus of 7 minus of J minus 4K. Now AC, which is C minus A. Here is I, directly minus 6I because there is no I there. J, 3 minus, there is no J here, so directly 3 of J minus 6K and there is no K here, so directly take minus 6 of K. As it is, calculate A and D. So value comes 2 of I minus 6 of K and J minus 5 plus 7, which is 2 of J, and 10 minus nothing, so plus 10 of K. So these three are the values come after AB, AC and AD. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to take the determinant of these three value, which is 10 minus 12 minus 4 minus 6, 3 minus 6 minus 4 plus 2 and plus of 10. Now solving this question, we have to firstly clean the board so that it is properly visible as how the question is solved. Now firstly take 10, ignoring this row and column you get 100 plus 12 plus of 12, ignoring this row and column you get minus 60 minus 24, taking minus 4, which is minus of 12 plus of 40. Now multiplying this 100 into 2 plus 12 into minus 84 minus 4 into 28. Clearly? Now further, just solving this question, 1120 minus 1008 minus 112. So 1120 minus 1120, so whole value becomes 0 is the answer of this question. If after solving the determinant you get your answer which is 0, it means that your vectors are coplanar. Firstly calculate AB, AC and AD, form its matrix like this and solve this question like we solve in determinants of matrices. If you get your answer which is 0, then you can prove that, then you can easily say that the vectors are coplanar. So students, your next question is, point A is given to you, B, C and D is given to you, and it is written that vectors are coplanar. You have to calculate the value of x. So if you want to calculate the value of x, firstly what you have to do, you just have to calculate as it is as we have done in the previous question, AB, AC and AD. What we are going to do, position vector of B minus position vector of A, which is 4 minus 3i x minus 2 of J, 5 minus 1 of K. Now AC, 4 minus 3 it's I, 2 minus 2 0 of J, minus 2 minus 1 3 of K. Now AD, 6 minus 3 3 of I, 5 minus 2 3 of J, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 of K. So then take its determinants, which is 1 x minus 2 and 4. 1 0 minus 3 3 3 minus 2. So now we have to take the determinants, which is 1, ignoring this row and column, it became 0 plus 9, taking x minus 2, the value come minus 2 plus 9 plus of 4, so the value comes 3 minus 0 and the whole value is equals to 0. Now solving this question, 9 minus x minus 2 into 7 plus 12 is equals to 0. Now further solving this equation, you get your answer, which is 9 minus x. Sorry, if it's multiplied by this, it became 7 of x plus 14 plus 12 is equals to 0. Now further solving this question, 14 plus 12 it became 14 plus 12 it became 26. 26 plus 9 is equals to 7 of x. 26 plus 9 is equals to 35. 35 upon 7 is equals to x, which is 5. So the value comes 5 is the answer of this question. So calculate firstly AB, AC and AD. Write a determinant, solve it like this and you get your answer, which is x is equals to 5. So students, your last question is prove that A vector plus B vector, B plus C, C plus A is equals to 2A, B and C. So you are first going to write the equation as A vector plus B vector into B vector plus C vector multiply by C vector plus A vector. So firstly write A plus B and multiply B with C, B vector into C vector, then B to A. Now here's an important information. If we multiply two same vectors, which is C vector into C vector, the value became 0. So we are not going to write this value, which is 0, directly writing it C vector into A vector. Now multiplying this whole equation, A to A, now everything A into B and C, A vector into B vector into C vector. Now again, if we multiply A with B and A vector, now A with this, writing B with this, and B with B and A, this is C, and B with C and A, so this is the equation we are formed if we multiply A to these three, B to these three separately. Now first equation we can write as it is. Now in this there are two vectors which are same and are multiplied, so the formula is same, the value became 0. Now in this also the vectors are same, the value became 0. In this two vectors are same, the value became 0. So with this the value became 0, and we are just going to write this because the values are not same and the vectors are different. So if there is, so I am just going to say another thing, which is if A vector into B into C is always equal to B into C into A, these two vectors remains the same. These two are same in the vectors formula. So we can say that if this is equals to this, we can say that twice of A vector into B into C, and we can write it as 2 of A, B and C. This is how this question going to be solved. Firstly, just you have to firstly write this formula as this. Now multiply this vector to this to everything. Now if two vectors are multiplied, same vectors are multiplied, the value became 0. Remaining two vectors are left. Now add these two vectors and these vectors can be written in this form too. I hope so students, this video is very clear to you. Every concept in the vectors I have make sure that properly be said to you and properly be learned to you and remembered by you. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.